I get really frustrated about the division in the chicken community. I don't like division in general. I don't think it's good for us as a society to be like constantly fighting each other. I think that normal people can talk to each other and come to solutions without demonizing this person that they perceive as being on the other side of whatever side they're on. My whole platform is about bringing people together. From the beginning, we can look at chickens and look at humankind's history with the chicken and use that as a way to understand how much we have in common. That's why I say chickens are humankind's most amazing common denominator because they are. We all have chickens in our ancestry, and I think that's amazing.